Your brain is not broken, it's hijacked. And the scary part is, most people will never realize it. Right now, there are millions of people sitting at their desks, staring at their screens, trying to work and failing. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because their brain has been slowly trained to lose focus. Look at your average day. You wake up. Before your brain even wakes up properly, your hand reaches for your phone. Notifications, messages, short videos, endless scrolling. Your brain receives more stimulation in the first 10 minutes of your morning than previous generations experienced in an entire day. Then you sit down to study, or work, or build something important, and suddenly your brain feels tired. You read the same sentence 3 times. Your mind drifts away. You open another tab. You check your phone again. 10 minutes later, you've done almost nothing, and you start thinking something is wrong with you. But nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is just addicted to easy dopamine. Every notification, every scroll, every short video is a tiny reward. And the more rewards your brain receives without effort, the harder it becomes to focus on anything that requires effort. Your brain starts asking a simple question: why work hard when easy rewards are everywhere? This is why focus feels impossible. It's not a discipline problem, it's a stimulation problem. Modern technology is designed to keep your brain constantly entertained because distracted people stay online longer. And the longer you stay online, the more money those platforms make. Your attention has become a product. But here's the good news. Focus is not gone, it's just buried. And you can rebuild it, but not with motivation, with structure. First, remove the noise. You cannot expect your brain to concentrate while your biggest distraction lives in your pocket. Put your phone in another room when you work. Not face down, not silent, gone. Your brain needs distance from temptation. Second, train boredom. This sounds strange, but boredom is the beginning of focus. Most people panic when they feel bored. They immediately reach for stimulation, their phone, music, videos, anything to escape silence. But silence is where your brain starts repairing itself. When you sit quietly with a task, your brain slowly adjusts to the lower level of stimulation. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Then it feels normal. And eventually, it feels powerful. Third, work in deep blocks. Not 5 hours pretending to work. 45 minutes of real concentration. One task, no switching, no notifications, just execution. Then take a short break, then repeat. This is how your brain relearns focus. Fourth, protect your mornings. The first hour of your day trains your brain for the rest of the day. If you start with chaos, scrolling, messages, random videos, your mind stays chaotic. But if you start with control, your brain follows that pattern. Wake up, move your body, think clearly before consuming information. Finally, rebuild patience. Focus is a skill, and like every skill, it returns slowly. At first, you might only manage 10 minutes, then 20, then 40. But something surprising happens when your brain starts recovering. Work becomes easier. Thinking becomes clearer. You finish tasks faster. You stop feeling mentally exhausted after doing almost nothing. And one day you realize something uncomfortable. You were never incapable of focus. Your environment was just stealing it. The modern world profits from your distraction because distracted people don't build things. They consume. But the moment you reclaim your attention, you reclaim control of your life. And that is far more powerful than most people realize.